Come over here. Carla's going to show you exactly how she did her brown stew chicken. She actually done the seasoning for this. Oh yeah.
Anyway, same similar process, you season it.
So brown stew can go. Do you need it on? Turn it on. Yeah. So medium.
Okay. So pot's hot. Once it's hot, put the chicken in, mix it around, cover it. It'll make its own water. Brown stew, right down. Don't need to add anything. No water, no oil, nothing. Same kind of process of seasoning, garlic, onion, black pepper, thyme, chicken seasoning, all the little bits put on hot. That's it, done. And you can go off and do whatever you're doing. Once you put it in, mix it up, you put it off, go do what you're doing, wash your hair.
Can I see the chicken seasoning?
Yeah.
Which one you use?
Oh, I'll get it for you. It's in the
Okay. Okay. Now with Salamaster pork, we cook from cold, but if you're frying anything or roasting anything, then you preheat your saucepan before. So like meats and so on, then you preheat. Okay. It's alright. I'll try it. I'll get your hand.
Okay, you can use any chicken seasoning. I'll wait for this to go hot. Right, and I'll come right back. Hold on, I'm going to do this.
Okay.
Isn't that supposed to be done by now? Is it 7 minutes? The pizza.
I was waiting for someone to notice that. 7-minute pizza. It's been way more than 7 minutes, right?
Yeah.
But see how if you were at home and you were doing something and you completely forgot about it, you actually can't burn it. So now it's actually switched itself off, so I don't actually have to worry. And it's still nice and hot. Okay, so we're gonna give you some more pizza, and I'll let Carla finish.
Okay, I'm just waiting for the pot to go hot to put the chicken in.
So how long do you use the pot for? Did you say? How long do you use it for?
Heat it until it's hot, so you have to keep
Just touch it.
Yeah. So the way you find out if it's the perfect temperature to fry or do anything like that, especially obviously in the bad boy, you know, it's 230. But on here, you do the water test. When they did your delivery, they should have showed you what the water test is. So when you actually splash the water, if it dries up, it's not quite ready. But when it runs around like a marble, it's perfect temperature to fry your onions, your fish, your meat, whatever it is. Yeah. So we'll do that test in a moment. But equally, you can know as soon as you touch the lid. If you can put your hand on it, it's not ready. But as soon as you go like that and go, whoo, yeah, that's pretty much ready. But still do the water test just in case. Yeah. All right.
So basically heat it for like 2 to 3 minutes. It should be hot. Yeah.
So the electric one is now clicking. All right. So what do we do? Turn it down to low. You guys, seriously, like. You guys all right today? Yeah. You hungry?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's what.
Yeah.
That's what we
So we're gonna turn it down to what temperature?
85.
Correct. 85.